As the popularity of cryptocurrencies develop, more people are looking into the advantages of staking crypto. Many individuals want to invest in so-called stablecoins like Terra because of their more predictable values, as cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ether, and Dogecoin have risen and fallen in value in recent months. The Terra blockchain serves as the foundation for Terraform Labs' many applications. Terra has created a number of strategic alliances with industry leaders across the board. Terra has also devised a decentralized mechanism for manufacturing multi-collateralized stablecoins. Terraform Labs, a Korean blockchain business that was incubated by the Terra Alliance, produced the Terra blockchain. The Terra Alliance is a consortium of 15 East Asian e-commerce firms. Terraform Labs, founded by Daniel Shin and Do Kwon in 2018, has a strong expertise in e-commerce and banking. Shin is a Wharton School of Economics graduate who have founded a number of successful firms in several disciplines. The Terra mainnet, which went live in April 2019, was the first to release the Terra KRW token, a stablecoin tied to the Korean won. For payment settlements, KRT is employed in a variety of applications. These include the Chai payment app, the Tmon e-commerce platform, and the Fast Track Asia Startup Accelerator. Binance, Huobi, and OKEx were among the centralized exchanges that invested in Luna Coin's initial private sale, which raised $32 million. 10% of the proceeds were set aside for Terraform Labs' future development, with the remaining 20% going to project participants and personnel. Furthermore, the Terra Alliance received 20% of the proceeds from the private sale, and another 20% going to price stability reserves, 26% to project backers, and the remaining 4% going to Genesis liquidity. The Tendermint proof-of-stake consensus process was used to establish the Terra blockchain, which was created using the Cosmos software development kit. The Cosmos SDK was created to let developers rapidly and easily create and launch interoperable blockchain applications. Terra's network has a maximum of 100 validators, making it more centralized than any other POS-based blockchain. The Terra blockchain settles transactions in a matter of seconds. Furthermore, transaction fees when engaging with smart contracts are far lower than Ethereum's gas fees. This makes it a viable option for developers looking for blockchains with smart contracts. Let's look at an example to get a better idea of how the algorithm works. If there are $100 in circulation and Luna tokens are trading $1 each, then 1 UST is backed by 1 Luna token. If the price of Luna is doubled to $2, the amount of Luna required to support 1 UST would double as well. As a result, the mechanism adjusts itself automatically to ensure that each UST is always backed by the same number of Luna tokens. Terra is steady and has low price swings because of this, which relieves the tension of users who invest cryptocurrencies for trading or other objectives. Terra distinguishes itself from the competition by using fiat-pegged stablecoins. Terra keeps the one-to-one peg by employing an algorithm that adjusts stablecoin supply in response to demand. This is accomplished by combining the borderless benefit of cryptocurrencies with the price stability of fiat currencies on a day-to-day basis. The method also encouraged Luna holders to swap Luna and stablecoins at profitable exchange rates as needed to either increase or decrease the stablecoin supply to meet demand. Furthermore, the Terra platform offers a number of stablecoin options with quick settlement. Terra's users benefit from lower fees, seamless cross-border exchanges, enhanced stability, and more responsive financial assets thanks to the mechanism. The cryptography development team made it a priority to provide a completely transparent environment. The network was built from the ground up to address the complicated payment value chain by utilizing a single blockchain layer to eliminate or reduce the need for credit card networks, banks, and payment gateways. Terraform Labs intends to use Terra's blockchain and associated cryptocurrencies, including one tied to the Korean won, to build a digital financial system that is decentralized from major banks and fintech companies. So far, the Chai payment app, which is built on Terra's blockchain, has been the main source of growth in Korea, where consumers have used it to buy things in businesses like coffee. According to Kwon, the company's linked mirror trading app is growing in China and Thailand. Meanwhile, Terraform Labs' current $150 million in funding would be used to invest in companies that develop financial products on Terra's blockchain, according to Kwon. He compared scouting and investing in other groups to a Y Combinator demo day type of circumstance, referring to the prominent early-stage investor Y Combinator's popular startup pitch event. According to Ryan Watkins, a senior research analyst at cryptocurrency consultancy Messari, The combination of all these Terra-specific financial apps suggests that Terraform Labs is essentially constructing a kind of bank. Terraform Labs has a number of additional projects in addition to cryptocurrencies, including the Anchor app and a high-yield savings account for holders of the company's digital assets. Meanwhile, users can use the company's Mirror program to generate synthetic financial assets that resemble more traditional ones, such as tokenized corporate stock representations. According to Quan, these synthetic assets are designed to let people like a tiny retail trader in Thailand acquire shares and have exposure to the upside of equities they wouldn't have been able to gain otherwise. However, some critics believe that the Securities and Exchange Commission in the United States will eventually regulate synthetic stocks, which are now unregulated. Because the Terra coin is new, there isn't a lot of data to look at in terms of its price history. According to CoinMarketCap data, it only began trading in 2019. However, there was little activity in the early years of Luna, with the coin trading prominently below $1 until late January 2021. This could indicate that when Luna first came up on the crypto market, there wasn't a lot of investor interest. Terra, on the other hand, immediately joined aboard and became one of the fastest growing cryptocurrencies in January 2021, when most cryptocurrencies were enjoying the euphoria of a market-wide bull run. The coin traded at 87 cents on January 24, 2021, with a 24-hour trading volume of roughly 21.91 million. However, by the beginning of February, the price had risen to $2.68, with a daily trading volume exceeding 116 million. Terra's price tripled to $6.43 a few days later, on February 8, 2021, before dropping below $6 in the middle of the month. After that, it meandered for a few days before surging to an all-time high of $44.34 on September 11th. The price has varied since then, and Terra has lost more than 26% of its peak value. However, Luna climbed again in December, reaching an all-time high of $103.33 on the 27th. In the long run, the price of the UST coin is projected to remain steady or rise. This is due to the fact that it is based on an algorithm rather than supply and demand, and its value is related to a fiat currency such as the US dollar. Because of its role ensuring the stability of the UST coin, the Terra token may have a more volatile future. Luna, on the other hand, may be able to find a consistent trading price and become one of the cryptocurrency market's more promising stablecoins. Terra Luna is predicted to trade at roughly $145 to $260 by the end of 2022, according to numerous projections, and it may show even greater growth in 2023 as Terra's platform continues to gain popularity. Wallet Investor, for example, forecasts that Luna will trade at $170.92 in December of 2022 and at around $304 by the end of 2023. While this will not be a big increase over the present pricing, it would be a significant improvement. Wallet Investor is optimistic about Terra's future, although it expects moderate growth in 2022. Unfortunately, on May 11th and 12th, the Terra Luna crypto token fell from $102 to just 2 cents, a 99.9% correction, with 99.9% occurring within 48 hours of a black swan occurrence. The stock market retraced to $25,200, a level not seen since December of 2020. Altcoins are typically associated with Bitcoin's strength or weakness, and the crypto market's connection to the S&P 500 as a whole touched a 17-month high in March of 2022. However, the causes for Luna's meltdown are a bit more complex, and they serve as a warning about cryptocurrency price volatility. Some investors are also hoping to take advantage of the Bitcoin price drop and purchase Terra Luna at these cheap levels. Many people are wondering why the plane crashed. Charles Hoskinson, the inventor of Cardano, proposed one possibility, although he later removed the tweet. He claimed that a huge organization had to borrow 100,000 Bitcoin from the Gemini exchange on Twitter. They subsequently exchanged a big sum of Bitcoin for UST at a discount with Do Kwon over the counter. He agreed and UST liquidity was reduced. The institution allegedly dumped massive sums of Bitcoin and UST on the market, resulting in a liquidation cascade of leveraged longs, slippage, and panic selling by investors, with many liquidating their Luna holdings and unstaking their UST to sell it. According to the tweet, Terra was a Ponzi scheme with insufficient Bitcoin reserves to avert the crash. None of these accusations have been confirmed, and Gemini has denied making such a loan. Market manipulation, on the other hand, is frequent in all financial markets. Even if Gemini's post is correct, Hoskinson afterward tweeted that someone did assault Terra. For the time being, no one knows who it was, and the social media is awash with speculation and many interpretations. Well guys, that's all we have for you today. What are your thoughts on Luna? Of course, let us know in the comments section below. If you guys like this video, then be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Also, if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, be sure to click on the subscribe button and turn on the notifications under this video so that you'll be notified the next time we upload a video on the latest cryptocurrency news. Thanks for watching, we hope you have a great day today, and as always, we'll see you in the next video.